Locked out of your Gmail because of that annoying verify your identity prompt? Don't panic. I'm here to guide you through getting back in. First, let's talk about why this happens. Gmail triggers this verification for several reasons, like suspicious activity, changes to your login location, or outdated recovery information. Whatever the reason, we'll fix it. Alright, let's start with the most straightforward method: account recovery. Click on the forgot password link on the Gmail login screen. This will take you to the account recovery page. Google will then offer you several options to verify your identity. If you have a recovery email or phone number set up, choose that option. A verification code will be sent to that email or phone. Check your recovery email inbox, including the spam folder, or your phone for the verification code. Enter the code when prompted. If you don't have a recovery email or phone number, or if the code isn't working, you'll need to go through Google's more detailed account recovery process. They'll ask you several security questions. Answer them as accurately as possible. The more information you provide, the better your chances of regaining access. Once you regain access, head straight to your Gmail settings, go to the security section, and ensure your recovery email and phone number are up to date. Consider enabling two-step verification for enhanced security. And that's it. With these steps, you should be able to bypass the verify your identity prompt and get back into your Gmail account. Remember to keep your recovery information updated and enable two-step verification to prevent future lockouts. Good luck.